Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most widely used tools in quantitative research, which is the survey. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or just curious, this video will walk you through what surveys are, why we used them, and how they actually work in real research. So, what exactly is a survey? Well, a survey is a systematic method of collecting data from individuals using a set of predefined questions. It is one of the most popular tools used in quantitative research, especially when we need to collect data on opinions, behavior, experiences, or demographics. Survey can be used in different types of studies, such as descriptive, exploratory, or explanatory, depending on your research goal. Now, why do researchers use surveys? Well, surveys helps us to compare different subgroups within a population, to quantify characteristics, attitudes, or behavior, to test hypotheses or examine relationship between variables, and even to inform policy decision or design better programs. That's why surveys are such a powerful tools. Now, I discuss types of surveys. There are several types of surveys depending on structure and timing. The first one is cross-sectional, which is used to collect data at a single point of time. For example, annual household surveys. Then longitudinal surveys, which tracks changes over time. For example, panel surveys on employment. And then descriptive surveys, which describe the characteristics of a group, for example, surveys on literacy rate. And the last one is analytical surveys, which dig deeper, often exploring cause and effect relationships. For example, impact of income and spending habits. Surveys can be conducted in different ways. The most common modes include face to face interviews, which is suitable for detailed responses, and then telephone surveys, uh, which is cost effective but limited by phone access. Then online surveys, which is widely used for fast, accessible, and lower cost. And the last one is paper based surveys, which is still useful in areas with low digital access. Each mode has its strength and is chosen based on the target population. Now I talk about surveys instrument, the questionnaire. The key tool in any survey is questionnaire. A questionnaire is a structured set of questions mostly used ended like multiple choice or Likert scale question, though it may include some open-ended ones too. But a good questionnaire must be clear and culturally appropriate, pre-tested during a pilot pause, and designed with ethical considerations like getting informed consent from participation. So, what are the advantages of using surveys? Well, you can reach a large number of people quickly. They allow for statistical analysis. Data can be compared across groups, and there's flexibility in how they are conducted, online, offline, or mixed. But like any other tools, surveys also have limitations. They are limited to what participants are willing to report. Responses may be affected by bias or non-response. They are not ideal for exploring deep motivations or complex emotions, and they are required careful planning and testing to avoid errors. And that's a wrap on today's topic. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone.